Hi guys, so today I'm playing with this Nickelodeon slime. It's Vanilla Sprinkle. That hand is my cousin. She's making a YouTube video too. I'm in hers. But we're here at my cousin's dad's house, and we're just playing with slime. That's why there's like this unicorn and stuff up here.
Because this is not my house,
Oh, you're like, no.
Hey, give me the slime back. Go get your sisters.
No!
You just said she could play with it.
I know, but I don't want her taken out of the container. I said you could play with it, not her.
Oh, here.
So,
But keep it in the container.
Guys-
How am I supposed to play with
guys, listen to this.
It's this, I cleaned that off. So how is it going to get dirty?
That feels so
I'm
good.
gonna
It
take a little bit
sounds.
So guys, I'm going to take a little bit out because
I'm gonna try to make a
my
bubble.
cousin doesn't want me to take it out the container. That's weird.
Oh, I made a bubble! Guys, look at this. Okay.
I'm Quarter.
Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. I flipped it on accident. Guys, look how cool. This is my first ever bubble, so I'm gonna pop it. Oh, that was cool. Okay, I'm gonna get. Guys, listen. This sounds so good. Look.
So I only took a little bit out. I didn't take the whole container. Here's the minty slime. I like this one because it's like I like the.
Guys, look
I
at
like
this.
these things.
This looks so good. I really want to
let's
eat this,
mess up.
but I don't want. I can't. So.
Look, I can't get it.
Oh, this feels so good. Guys, my cousin is here. That's my cousin. She's making her YouTube video. That's her YouTube video. So I'm showing her YouTube video on this, and this is just a kind of spoiler of what her YouTube video is gonna be. So yeah.
Got a trailer.
So
Not really a trailer. Yeah.
my sister's watching TikTok.
No, she's watching Likey. No.
Well, it's Likey, and
She told me to pretend it's TikTok. No, it's Likey.
and my cousin is
I have to stop.
singing it. So
And I have another slime. Well, it's not mine, but it's my cousin's. I don't like this one. This one's like stick to it. And then I have
Okay.
Kinetic Sensi. I have this one. This one.
and my cousin has a pink one.
Hey. Hey, Jakaya. Hi, Mama. Where's Jason? Nothing. Playing with Emery. Raylan left.
Here's the slime. It feels so
She
good.
went bowling.
And look at
She went
these.
bowling.
Look how stretchy this is. Like,
Because they said they didn't have enough money.
We are on what?
Justin.
look how stretchy this slime is.
Where Eli?
On the bed.
Look at this twirl. Okay. Oh, this one's still going.
And Carolyn's here.
Listen to that, guys. It sounds so good. Okay. And here's our other slime we got. It's pink.
Yeah.
Look at this.
How you gonna find?
You said what time I'm coming home?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And here is the slime that she is playing with. It's mint chocolate chip, but it smells like toothpaste. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay, so yeah, that's the slime my cousin's playing with. Oh, there's also, don't mix that in. Anyone doesn't want that to happen.
I think Terrence coming to pick her up.
And we got this blue kinetic
No,
sand.
Daddy said to wait.
Hmm?
My dad said to wait.
To wait?
Yeah, he might not pick me up.
So it's kinetic sand. I'm not allowed to play with that with the slime because it's gonna mix all up. So usually
Okay.
I play with baby dolls on this channel, like do Roblox videos.
Oh my god.
But today I'm not doing that, so I'm playing with slime.
Hey, Jason. What you doing? Where's the thing to this? Okay, bye.
Oh, they're farting. This slime feels so good, guys.
What's your YouTube channel called?
Amory Loves Dolls.
Emery Loves Dolls.
See, don't say my Amory Loves Dolls.
How do you spell your name?
Ameri.
Look at this. Julia, look at this. Julia, come
That's the top one's my channel.
here. Julia, come here.
Okay.
That first one's a mess up video. It's a mess up one. So guys, I'm about to post
I know.
this.
Bugs can't. The baby.
I know, but you didn't see the whole.
I'm about to post this video, and yeah, once I'm done posting it. Oh no, she's watching my mess up video. Guys, if you.
Just watch the whole thing. They burned the walls down.
So. So, if you guys see the YouTube video with the OMG dolls, that is a mess up.
Sorry,
So-
y'all, my people keep on calling me.
That's something for a blooper. So if you see that,
so I'ma
just
put this
know it's a
in
blooper.
here. And then I'm gonna play with the kinetic sand. So let me open this.
Ew! Cover your mouth.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Look what I sneeze.
Disgusting.
I went at you, and look what came out my nose.
No, you didn't.
No, for real, I went at you, and then I just saw
Don't
this.
follow her.
Who?
Don't subscribe to Amory.
Yeah, subscribe to me.
I already did.
Don't.
Guys, shut. I mean, Elias, shush. That's my sister.
See, she just told you guys to shush.
That was an accident, guys. I meant to my sister because she's rude. She's right now just laying down watching Lanky. So, oh, my cousin's over there beating up the slime.
It's not slime. Get your face.
Is your grandma still here?
Yes.
So, here's the container to it.
I'm being there.
I'm gonna. Guys, did you hear that? That was funny.
This time we'll do something because last time we did.
Because Polaire was there.
Yeah.
Can you run in your house?
Yeah.
Carter there?
No, he left. We're getting this all out. Well, I am. Guys, now we're gonna turn this video not into a slime video. I am
Mommy,
gonna
can you ask Daddy if he could come pick
be
Avery and Leah up?
playing it with dolls. I'm sorry, that flipped over. Oh, okay, there we go. Sorry, it fell.
And get Grandma to take us.
somebody dressed this doll up. That's not what she originally had on, so I'm gonna take this off and put back what she had on already, because I think my cousin put on what she had already on. Okay. Putting it on her, because this, I'm gonna show you what she was wearing. She was wearing this. I think that's what my cousin put on her. That's what she was wearing. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like a little play of this and then stop the video.
Mom just said she's gonna take us.
Before I stop this video, like, subscribe, hit the notifications. So here I go. Okay, I'm just gonna get on my phone. Oh, TikTok, yes. Be there. Yeah, I like this. Okay, I don't like TikTok anymore. Well, I don't want to watch it. I'm gonna put a boot on and to be funny. Wait, is somebody recording?
Whatever y'all brought, make sure you pack it. Only take your stuff. Jaleel, you're gonna.
Closet.
I'm going with
Yeah. Whatever's y'all's, pack it, put it in the bag.
But what if we?
Elia,
What if we get it mixed up?
don't get it mixed up.
I know, which is ours.
So pack it up so you can go.
Okay.
Julia, can you help us since Aunt Marie decided to dump it all out?
Yeah, I'll help y'all. Here's your clothes. My clothes is already packed.
I'm not the one who's gonna do it all. But you're the one who dumped it all out.
She did actually. That's I'm wearing my slides because I don't feel like wearing those shoes. Here. My clothes is already packed.
Oh, I don't think it's your boat.
I'll brush my teeth when I get home. Y'all brought a lot of stuff.
I already packed. Why is he so?
We didn't pack everything.
Quiet. Only take y'all's stuff.
I did. I packed my stuff.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys, I'm done packing. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Who wants to see my beautiful hairstyle? I'm just gonna be funny because I like being funny. Here I am. Everyone, I'm a princess now. Oh, yas. Yas, queen. I'm gonna get a lamp and I'm gonna dance on it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh no, my room is a mess. Daughter, where are you? Oh no, my room. Mom's gonna be so mad at me. Daughter. Oh God. I don't even fit in this house. What did you do?
Y'all ready?
Yes.
Yes. Bye, guys.